They left us.
Wait a minute.
We thought we were going to sneak up on the guys with the cameras, and they're not even around here. They left and didn't tell us? I don't see them.
They working down here on something?
I don't think so. Where did they go? That's a very, very good question.
Oh, it's hot out here.
It is. We should have had our flip-flops on. They're not on the boat.
They're not on the boat.
Did they fall in and get eaten by a shark? They're probably off socializing somewhere. They weren't on the flybridge, were they? They wouldn't be in the lazarette with the lazarette closed, would they?
That wouldn't make any sense, and I didn't. That wouldn't make any sense.
Huh. Well, I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it just in case. The dinghy's still here, so they didn't go out in the dinghy. Anybody down there? Ouch, it's hot. They're not up on the flybridge. Flybridge is closed. It'd be way too hot. Wouldn't they tell us if they were leaving?
Apparently not.
Well, so much for sneaking up on them.
Well,
I guess we're the ones that
plans
got surprised.
Foiled.
We're the ones that got surprised.
Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us cruising this old boat.
Well, I think we should not tell them. And then when Dad edits the footage, it'll be really funny to find out we were trying to surprise them.
All right. Okay, I guess it's time to get back to work.
Well, we've been having a problem with our dinghy Davit. Actually, I guess the problem is with our transom. The transom on Elixir is beginning to rot, the core, and as a result, the Davit has been pushing the fiberglass on the transom in. I mean, it flexes it tremendously. Probably can't see right now because we've already taken the dinghy out of the Davit, but when you have the weight of the dinghy in there, it just pushes the transom in considerably. It's very noticeable. I've been very concerned about it cracking the transom, so we're going to need to record a transom, but due to everything else that's happened this year, I just can't I can't get it done this year. We're just going to have to wait till another year. It's been a very expensive year for Elixir, so, but I don't want to crack the transom, so we're trying to come up with a temporary solution. So we're going to cut some PVC board and try to spread the pressure of the Davit, the weight of the dinghy when it's in the Davit, across more of the transom area, and hopefully that will keep it from cracking until I can rebuild my reserves and get the transom record.
I got it.
Okay, go for it. All right, so we got it done. We got a plate on both sides to try to spread some of that torque out on the transom, and we put a corresponding plate on the inside, pulled them tight with these bolts, and hopefully that's going to stiffen it up enough. So we are getting ready to test it. Everything's put back together. We're going to put the dinghy in the davit, bring it up, and see how much flexing we have on the attachment to the transom. So we finally got the dinghy davit all put back together, and it works just fine. Took a lot of pressure off that transom. So thanks, Daryl. Cool.
Cool. Good catch.
Not a fun video. I saw that spinning and I was like, oh, this is bad.
You almost fell in.
Something against it. Is this your new guest initiation?
I meant the line, not the outboard.
This is your new guest initiation. Good thing I got fast reflexes.
Yeah, definitely.
Cathartic.
We got cord going through there. There it is.
Okay. Well, hello there.
Let's sit down the blocks, okay?
We decided to take a little time off from working on the boat to help our daughter install a new door in her house.
We'd like to welcome our new patrons, Alan and Mari.
Alan and Mari do a YouTube channel themselves. It's called Envy Intrigue Trawler DIY. And if you want to know how to do things on your trawler yourself, it's a great channel to watch. I watch it all the time to get ideas on how to fix up our boat. Right now, Alan's been doing a deep dive into the Epoch lithium batteries. So if you've been thinking about lithium batteries, definitely go check out his channel. I'll put a link down below in the comment section.
Thank you, Alan and Mari. Hello.
Hello.
So today,
Hello.
hi. Oh.
Today we have been drinking.
No, we have not. Soda. Better bring up one of those cans of soda to show.
Sure, it's soda.
Today, our daughter Jennifer is helping me with putting shelf paper in our cabinets and our drawers in the salon.
Ta-da!
Yay, perfect. Nicely done.
This one was either broken or unplugged, and I think by plugging it back in there, this should work again.
Okay.
So I'm about to put the top back on it, and we will then fire it up and see. You'll have 3 burners at that point.
Very nice. Perfect.
So you're back to having 3 burners now.
Very good. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are the future is bright.
Thanks for watching.